Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to download and install Node.js. First things first, head over to your browser and enter the following URL, or use your search engine to search for download Node.js. Once at the Node.js website, click on this download button over here, and then you'll see the download will usually go to your downloads folder. Alternatively, if you are comfortable using package managers, you can go to the download option. And then over here, you can see the various versions of Node.js that you can install. You can choose your operating system as well as whichever package manager you prefer. Alternatively, you can use the pre-built installer to install a specific version of Node and choose your operating system. The LTS or long-term support version is the version that ensures stability and long-term updates. Okay, once the installer has been installed to your machine, you're going to double click on it. And then you'll see this pop-up will come up and you'll click next, accept the terms and license agreement, next again. And then once you get to this screen, you're also going to click next. If you want to also install Chocolatey, you can do that by selecting this button over here. And then click on install. So, what is Node.js? In a nutshell, Node.js is a runtime environment that allows you to use JavaScript for server-side development. So this means that you can build web applications with the same language you use for the front end. Once the installation has completed, click the Finish button. And then to verify that Node.js has been installed successfully, you can open up a command prompt using the letter CMD. Alternatively, you can open up a terminal depending on your operating system, and you can type the command node-v, and then it shows that version 20.15.1 has been installed. Congratulations, you successfully installed Node.js. And with Node.js also comes a package manager called npm, or Node Package Manager. To check that Node Package Manager has been installed, you can run npm-v, which then shows you that npm has been installed as well. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful.